Today I'm going to show you how to use this selpHbalance TDS and EC meter. TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. This meter shows you how much dissolved parts per million are in your water. As you can see, there's an easy to read digital screen. In normal dissolved water tap water that you're going to drink, you should have about 170 to 400 parts per million. The variation depends on the water source. In a pool, it is okay to have between 1,000 and 2,000 parts per million. That's due to the different types of chemicals that you put in your pool. It is okay to have up to 3,000, but between 1 and 2,000 is normal. So I've removed the cap on it. I'm going to turn it on and place it in the water. Let's see if I can get a bit screen on the video. It's a little hard to see right now. It's kind of going back and forth a little bit between hovering around 1230. Okay, I'm going to hold. And so, as you can see, the spa has about 1,243 parts per million and 27 degrees Celsius. And if I want to change it into a different mode, I can turn it off and turn it back on. And now it is in Fahrenheit. So if I want to check it again just to verify the temperature, I can hold it back in there. Now it's dropping to about 77. All right, and 78 degrees. And that is how you use the selpHbalance TDS and EC meter. Real easy to use. And now I just gotta shake it off and put the cap back on.